Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a lovely Kate Spade tote bag. So I have this beauty right here, and today hopefully you girls can help me pack my bag. So I have my lovely Kate Spade Gingham Tote right here, and today I wanted to do kind of like a what's in my bag in reverse. So instead of showing you what's in my bag already, I want to have the items here and you can help me pack my bag really quickly. So kind of like a what's in my bag in reverse. So this is my lovely Kate Spade Gingham Tote. The interior of this bag is so lovely. This is what the interior looks like. Really, what a beauty, right? So pretty. So today I just wanted to do a quick what's in my bag in reverse. So I have several items laid out right here, and I'm hoping you girls can just kind of help me pack my bag. This is the no judgment zone over here, you guys. So some of these items may go and some may not, but we're gonna go ahead and check them out. So when I pack my bag, I like to start with the larger items first. So the biggest, largest thing that I have here is my planner. So I have a Wrong DeVoe planner right here, and I'm going to be carrying it with this gingham tote, my Kate Spade gingham tote. So this is going to fit nice inside this bag. And I just tried to, pick one out because I'm just going to be taking notes with this, so I just tried to go ahead and match up one that I thought went really nicely. And what I like about them is they have all of the girls, so beautifully inside the planner. So many fashion illustrations, and I loved fashion growing up. I just loved magazines like Vogue and Harper's Bazaar, and I just loved the magazines growing up. So I love looking at fashion illustrations, and I love fashion and styling as well as the handbags. So these lovely Wrong DeVoe planners, just, I love them. I absolutely love part of my hobby here. And this is going to look so cute. So this is the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and put inside my tote bag. And I think I'm going to put it to lay down, not stand up. So just go ahead and put that in, and I'll show you guys what that's looking like in a minute. The next thing that I have that I want to put in my bag is I normally always bring my dust bags with me. So if it's a large tote, I usually bring the dust bag for the tote with me. If it's a smaller bag, then I usually leave the dust bag at home. But I don't know, I think that stems from anxiety of losing the dust bag or misplacing the dust bag. Sometimes the dust bags will get matched up with another bag that it doesn't correctly belong to. So I think that's where that comes from. Just my own little personal anxiety of losing or mix matching my dust cover. So I'm going to bring, when it's a larger bag, I like to bring the dust cover with me. If it's a smaller bag, it could stay home, okay? So let's go ahead and put that dust cover in the bottom. We're just going to toss that in the bottom for right now. Okay, the next couple of larger items is, this is the accessory piece, the SLG that came with this lovely tote when I purchased it. So this is the lovely wristlet that came along. It was a freebie that came with this tote bag when I purchased it, and it goes so well with the tote bag. And it has a lovely D-ring that you can attach it with to the tote. You can carry it like that. Or you can go ahead and just put it inside. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to put items and more makeup items into my bag, but I just wanted you girls to help me with the basic setup. So we're going to go ahead and toss that inside the bag. If the dust cover is looking too sloppy down in the bottom there, then I may take it out. Okay, the next catch-all that I have this one right here. It has a few little gems on it. I think I picked this up from TJ Maxx just because it's so girly and so bling. Anything girly and bling is always a yes. It has a cute little tassel. So I think this will look cute to go ahead and put some items in my bag. So I do have a few items here I'm gonna go ahead and throw in there. So I have a couple of lip balms, and they're just Hershey's lip balms. So I'm going to go ahead and throw my Hershey's lip balms in here so that I'll, they won't just fall all over in my bag. Next thing, I have some EOS lotion. I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. And I have some Versace perfume. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in my bag as well. So I think that's going to fit really nicely in there. And of course, I'm going to toss some MAC lipsticks and other lipsticks in here later. But for right now, this nice little catch-all will look really, really great in my bag. Let me go ahead and lay my bag down so I can organize it a little bit better. So this is what we're looking like so far. It's looking good. It's looking great. Looking good, looking great. That's what everything is looking like in there with the Wrong DeVoe planner, both of my accessories, my catch-alls in there. That's looking really, really good. The next thing that I'm gonna go ahead and bring with me, because I'm matchy, is some nail files. So I have these lovely nail files right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and bring these with me in my bag. Let me go ahead and toss that in there. Okay, and then next couple of things that I'm going to throw in there is another Kate Spade accessory. This is a beautiful, lovely Kate Spade accessory that's a catch-all. I'm going to go ahead and throw this in here. This is actually a phone case, but I don't use it as a phone case. I just use it for cards and extra cash with me, and it does have the wristlet strap, and it's by Kate Spade, and I thought the color pink matches up with my tote bag so lovely. So let's go ahead and throw that in there. I don't want to say throw anything in my bag. Let's go ahead and put that in my bag. I'm not just going to throw things in there. Okay? Okay, next thing is my Kinsey, and this is my manicure set. So we're going to go ahead and put my manicure set in there. And just the last few couple of things that we're going to go ahead and toss in there. This is what everything is looking like. It's looking really good. This is what everything is looking like so far in there. Manicure set, catch-alls, my Wrong DeVoe planner. And of course, I'm going to bring some type of wallet or card holder. So I'm going to go ahead and bring my Kate Spade owl card holder. And I think this is so cute. I love this because it adds just a little bit of different color to the bag. The gray, pink and gray, baby pink, or I should say gray and baby pink goes so well together. I love matching up the pinks and the grays. So I'm going to bring this lovely catch-all with me. And this is what that's looking like in there. This is what everything is looking like in my tote. You can see that looks so cute in there. Everything is coming together really well as far as with all the accessories that I'm going to be bringing with this lovely gingham tote. And then the next thing, I think I did put perfume in there already. I was going to bring my BB perfume, but I believe we put Versace perfume in there already, so we don't need that. And then the next thing I'm going to bring, I wanted to bring some type of water bottle. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this water bottle with me. There's nothing in here right now. I wouldn't put this in my bag until my bag is full because I don't want this to tip over in my bag. I don't want any water or anything to get wet in my bag, but I will go ahead and bring this with me. And if anything, I'll get a water bottle, and when I get to work, I could fill it and then put it on my desk or wherever, and then I could drink out of it looking cute. But when I have it in my bag, it'll be empty. I'm just going to bring it with me, and then I could just perpetrate at work with my beautiful, cute heel water bottle. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this in there and see what that's looking like. So this is everything that looks, how everything looks in there in my gingham tote. This is how everything looks in there that I'm going to be taking with me for right now. Whether I go to work or if I just carry this baby out and about with me, I think I'm all set to go with everything that I have in there. I especially love the planner choice that I chose to bring to take with me with this lovely bag. So thank you girls for hanging out with me while I go ahead and pack my bag in reverse. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more handbag videos. And I'll see you girls in my next video. Bye. Hi angels, editing me here. I decided to switch and not bring the high heel cup, drinking cup with me. Instead, I decided to bring this lovely cute cup right here. So this is the drinking cup that I'll be bringing with me to work. I just thought that this went a little bit better and cuter with my bag, my lovely gingham tote right here. So thanks guys for hanging out with me. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.